The waterproof carport solar mounting system is one of the advanced versions to provide fully waterproof solution for parking lot shade. The waterproof solar carport develops under various markets' feedback. Solar carports are an ideal solution for energy generation on big surfaces otherwise unused. Soeasy's carport has many advantages. Lightweight, easy transportation and installation, safe construction. High corrosion resistance, salt tolerance. Maximum pre-assembly, save construction time and labor cost. Environmental protection, suitable for a variety of geological conditions. It is durable and recyclable. Many solutions to meet different customers' requirements. Waterproof and non-waterproof carport solar mounting are alternative. Products were designed by the experienced designers, which have the systematic design, stable structure, mature technology, can meet the BS 63992197 and save cost for the customers.